integral 0 to 1000 e power x minus step x dx is equal to how much? Solution. Here x minus step x is a periodic function with period 1. Therefore, the given integral can be written as integral 0 to 1000 into 1 e power x minus step x dx. Now this can be written as 1000 into integral 0 to 1 e power x minus step x dx. This is equal to 1000 times 0 to 1 e power x dx. This is equal to 1000 into e power x limits 0 to 1, applying limits e power 1 minus e power 0. So answer 1000 into e minus 1.